Life is just too short, and each day that passes by in a routine of activities, chaos, and responsibilities. Hello, my friends. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Happy New Day to you. See, amongst the chaos, have you ever stopped and taken a moment and think to reflect on the legacy you really want to leave behind? How do you want to be remembered when your time on this earth is over? See, it's very easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of our daily routine lives, forgetting about the bigger picture. But what if we just pause for a moment and ponder on the values we want our lives to reflect? How can we align our actions today with the legacies and heritage we hope to leave behind? Think about it for a minute. Reflect on the qualities and principles that truly matter to you. Is it kindness, compassion, or perhaps integrity? Maybe it's innovation, creativity, or the pursuit of knowledge. Whatever the case may be, the first step towards leaving a meaningful legacy is to understand the values that matters to you the most in your life. Once you have a clear idea of the big picture, it's time to turn that contemplating thoughts towards your current idealistic actions. Each day is an opportunity to make a difference in a positive direction, no matter how small. It could just be something as simple as lending a helping hand to a stranger, offering kind words of encouragement to a friend, or even making conscious choices to changing the pathway to your life. So, imagine if every action you took aligned with the values that resonates with your principles. Every smile you shared, every act of kindness, and every decision that you made with utmost integrity would be a small piece of the legacy you would leave behind. And it's not just about individual actions. It's about creating positive connections and nurturing relationships with those around you along with your loved ones. The impact of your legacy can be passed on through generation, inspiring others to follow in your footsteps. Remember that your legacy extends beyond your immediate circle. It can manifest in community initiatives in the form of volunteering or advocating for causes that align with your values. By actively engaging with your community, you can create a legacy that resonates far beyond your own lifetime. So, as you go about your daily life, remember to think about the legacy you want to leave. Reflect on the values that matters to you the most and let those values guide your actions. Make a conscious effort to create a legacy that will inspire, uplift, and bring about positive changes no matter how small the actions are. So, as you go about your daily life, remember to think about the legacy you really want to leave behind. Reflect on the values and principles that matter to you the most and let those values guide your action. Make an effort to the best of your abilities to create a legacy that will inspire, uplift, and bring about positive changes. If this video resonates with you and you are ready to align your actions with your desired legacy, and if you want to know what we do online to make a living in a principle-centered way, take a look at my website up here, freedomlifebusiness.com. Start your journey with us and create a business, legacy, and a life that reflects upon your dreams and principles that you envision. Because in the end, it's not about the possessions we accumulate or the achievements we boast. It's about the impact we have on the others and the values we embody and the legacy we leave behind. Okay? So, always make it a great day, and remember to always go for your dreams and stay focused, positive, and healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.